these are total. Son of a. Hey everybody, as you can see, it is a snowy day here in Kentucky. Something I'm going to take care of today, it's very easy, is Ole Blue here. I'm driving it while the Q50's in the shop getting worked on. The wipers on this thing suck. They are just standard regular wipers, conventional. So I've got these Michelin ceramic 3-in-1 with night shield. I don't know what that means or what that does. Night shield technology minimizes glare and blur. So I guess it's kind of like a Rain-X thing. But we're going to put these on the truck. We're also going to put a new air filter in it, and I've got a couple other things I'm going to do today while it's not cold, it's just snowy. So I'm gonna get out here. I'm tired of sitting in the house, so we're gonna do some stuff. So let's throw some wipers on the truck. This is very simple. These should just be J-hook wipers. Make sure you guys don't tip over. Should just like this, and they just should just slide right down. These had a little clip you pull up. Some of them have a clip underneath you have to unclip, pinch. And these are the same on both sides. They're 22s on both sides. It's really good. It's one thing I like about this truck. It's simple. Well, these are total. Real quick, Steve and I appreciate you watching this video. We hope it helps you get this job done today. If you can take a second of your time and hit that like and that subscribe button, it helps us make more videos like this. And the more these videos I get to make, the less I have to go to my day job. So appreciate it. So let's try this again. The tape on these is insane. Like the tape on the end, this is the worst packaging I have ever seen on a wiper in my entire life. Like, good Lord. Okay, so these should just slide right on and snap in. Slides right in, you can feel it click, and then when you get done, you take the little guards on it, or whatever you want to call them, off on the ends, these white pieces, and that's on. Okay, put it down. When you get done, take your old wiper, put it in the old package, put it in your recycle. Now we'll go over here. This truck hood just is not very camera friendly. All right, we'll do the next one. Get it up. Just got this little thing right here on these. Pop it loose. Okay, like that. Pull it off. Okay, and like I said, it just will slide on and snap. You'll hear it snap. Okay, just felt it. Pop these little things off the ends, boop and boop. That's all there is to it. This is one of the easiest vehicles I have ever changed wipers on. Once I install a set of wiper blades, what I like to do, get in here and run it through its paces. Turn it on high, like this. Turn it on full blast, because I've put these on before, and you get on the highway and it comes unclipped and goes flying off or whatever. Okay, everything looks good. Much better than it was before. Everything looks good. Okay, that's it. Like I said, this is the easiest vehicle I've probably ever done wipers on. The thing I like is it's 22 and a 22. That's it. Any 22 wipers will work. So easy install. Son of a